Hello folks. Today on the Tool Marketing channel, I will share with everyone a tool that helps us find Facebook group lists based on the keywords you provide. Here, I'm using my software tool to scan groups, and then I'll search groups by this keyword. Please enter the keyword here. For example, I'm entering the keyword New York, and I'm requesting 100 groups. The first step is that the software will log into the Facebook account I already have in this software. Next, it will simulate my actions like a real user. It will find group lists that are relevant to the term I'm looking for. I'll try the keyword New York here. These keywords will appear. Until it classifies the group lists, I'm looking for 100 groups here. It will find exactly 100 groups for me. Depending on how many I ask for, you can search for 500 or even 1,000 groups if you want. Here, I'm giving an example for everyone where I'm only looking for 100 groups. If you all decide to stop, I can hit a stop button here to end it. In this case, I will press stop. Here I can create an Excel file. For example, I will type New York in the Excel file. Once I have exported the Excel file, you can open it to better control the information. In this file, I have pre-saved the information, including the keywords and the group's ID. The third is the group type name. The fourth point is the type of group, whether it is public or private, its status being either closed or open. And within this post, the number of members in this group is interesting as it will categorize. It sorts by number, from low to high. And the date and time, along with the group link, all this information will appear in your Excel table. If you believe it meets your requirements, please contact me, and I will help you set it up and optimize your experience. Thank you for watching.